day closer to figuring out what is in the mystery box. Today, Ms. Shaw is going to open up another one of these wonderful boxes so we can see what sort of new stuff we've got going on in the video production room.
Choices. Let's do this one. Alright, we got out of the middle here. No giveaways on the brown box. Just from our good friends at B&H who are amazing. They always are fast, professional, easy to work with. We love B&H. It's where we buy. I'd say 95% of our supplies come straight from B&H.
This video is not sponsored, but if they would like to sponsor us, I don't think any of us would be opposed.
We just want to give a big shout out to them. Another big packing receipt. More pillows. Ooh.
Ooh, looks like
we've got, this is great. We have another camera bag, which is awesome because I told you that when I got that new camera, I'd forgotten to buy a camera bag for it. And so now, and you saw us unbox a camera yesterday.
Yeah.
So now, we have a camera bag for the other new camera.
Here we go.
It's pretty awesome. Day 10, camera bag. Check us out online at Rambler Productions on YouTube. You can see a lot of the cool videos the students have done there. And hopefully you'll join us in class sometime. See you tomorrow.